Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm going to tell you about the head check. What is head check, where you need to do head check and why head check is very important, especially for your driving test. So head check, the side of the part while we're driving, we can't see in the middle mirror and our side mirrors. So for the head check, you need to at least move your head 90 degree on the right side, and same when you do head check on the left side, at least 90 degree on your left shoulder. So you don't need to look for the head check behind the window, because this thing you can see from there. Same from the side of the road, you can check on your side mirror. So what is really head check? So head check is blind spot, whatever you can't see on your even side mirror. So any car just very close to you, you're not able to see on the blind spot mirror, your side mirror and your central mirror. So for this one example, on the right side car, I need to move my shoulder at least 90 degree, and you can bring your body a bit forward like this. Same with the left side. When you finish with your mirrors, that's it. So you don't need to spend a lot of time for head check. So head check should be less than 1 second, like that's it. Because basically you need to focus on the road. If you take longer for your head check like this, you're gonna lose your control. So head check, you just need to give only little time. When you finish with your mirrors, do quick head check and complete your turn left, right. And where we need to do head check. So head check whenever we move from our stationary position. Example, I'm standing beside the road. When I move off, I need to give my signal, check my middle mirror, side mirror, and head check, and then you move. Other head check, whenever we do turn left and there is any bicycle lane, you must have to do your left shoulder check before you crossing to the bicycle lane. Third one, during the lane changes. Whenever we do lane changes, if we on the left side lane and we need to move to the right lane, you need to check your middle mirror, head check, right side, and move to the right lane. Same, whenever you want to move to the left lane, middle mirror, left mirror, complete your head check and move into left lane. Other one is wherever is form lane 1. So if you're on the right lane, so you need to do your left shoulder check before you move to other lane. Same if you're on the right side, where is the form lane, if you're moving to right side, middle mirrors and your right shoulder check and move into the middle. So other one, during your driving test, whenever you do 3-point turn, so if you do curb to curb, you need to pull over your car on the left side, and before moving to the right side, you need to check your mirror and your right shoulder check, and then you bring your car to other side. So these are the time you must have to do your head check, and later on I'll show you practically where we really need to do head check. So I'll do some practical now. So as now I'm standing beside the road and I have to move off from the road, so it's called stationary position. So before I move off the road, I need to give my signal right for at least 5 seconds, and I check my middle mirror, right mirror, and all clear. Then I do head check here and move off the road. So that's the one you need to remember. Whenever you from stationary position, you move off the road. And other head check you need to do if you're turning left and there is any bike lane. If you're turning left and there is any bicycle lane, you must have to do head check before you turning left. So as I cross that roundabout, and you can see the bike lane on left side, I'm turning left, so I need to give my signal left, check middle mirror, left, and I do head check before I complete my turn. So whenever you're turning left and if there is any bike lane, you must need to do your head check. So after that, I'll show you how to do head check when we do lane changes. So after this traffic light, I'm going to move into the right lane. So what I need to do, I'll check my middle mirror and give right signal. Now check the middle mirror again, right mirror, safe, no one coming, or safe cab. I do head check on the right side and move it into the right lane. Same now, if I want to move to left lane, check the middle mirror, it gives signal left, check middle mirror, left mirror, head check and move into the left lane. So after this traffic light, I do one more time. Have to do head check on the lane changes. So you don't need to look too far, too long. So head check, it just take less than 1 second because you need to focus on the road as well. So now same, I'm moving to right lane. Mirror, signal, mirror, right mirror, all clear, head check and move into right lane. Same here again, signal, middle mirror, left side, head check and move into left lane. So this is a very good example for yellow light. So whenever you approach yellow light, if the yellow light is too close, then you should go. If yellow light and there is enough time to stop, you must have to stop. So after this traffic light, I'm turning left into the left lane, and then it's gonna become form lane. So form lane, sometimes there are 3 lanes, form 2. So from 3 lanes become 2 lanes. Sometimes form 2 to form 1, so means 2 lanes then become 1 lane. So now I'm turning left. So there are 2 lanes at the moment, but after that it's gonna become 1 lane. So it's become form 1 lane. So if I am on the left side lane, I need to give my signal right. I'll check the mirror and do head check before completing that. Same, if I am into the right lane, I need to give my signal left, check the mirrors and do head check on the left side. So in this form 1 lane, form 2 lane, where is written there? So basically whichever car on the left or right side, whichever car part, any body part of the car front supposed to go first. So I hope you learn about the head checks, what is head check, how to do head check and where you need to do head check. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in next video. Bye for now. Thank you.